In the world of powerful speakers, there's one speaker which could give you powerful bass boost. JBL on Black Friday 2022. Let's unbox it. Whoa. Smells like a party. PartyBox. Ooh, talk about presentation. That's manual, and it's a product registration. QR code. Pause the video if you want to scan it. If you will be able to scan it anyway. All right. And on the other side, it's a belt. Quite thick. Wow. There you go. Microphone, pounce, and a cable. Talk about presentation. Ooh. Satisfaction. Look at the quality of this speaker. Wow, it's second to none. Those buttons. Bass boost. That's the mic hole. Oh, those buttons feels really nice. Echo. That's tight. I'm talking about that knob. Very nice feel in the hand. Mic, treble, bass, guitar, Bluetooth, power, guitar. Oh, wow, it has all kinds of things. Light button, I don't know what those are. Tight. And on the back, what's that? Okay, it was pretty damn tight. Power, USB, and some kind of jack. Very nice bottom of the 4 legs. It won't be slippery at all. Nice. Ha! Now that's comfortable. I love it. Power. Oh yeah. Calm down. Calm. First of all, it is extremely loud. That's the loudest speaker I got, portable speaker on this channel. Wow, my ears are ringing. Second of all, it is extremely comfortable. That material at the back, so soft, it is screaming comfort. Also very wide and comfort on your shoulder. Extremely clean audio. There's no distortions at all. You can play around with your treble, bass, and also the bass boost. That was on the bass boost and bass on the third of the action. I didn't go all the way because it was a single microphone. That's the mic. Is that? No way. This is wireless? Wow, it is wireless. Now, hello. Okay, it is working. Wow. Let me bring the microphone down and there's a gain knob. That's the maximum gain. Oh, whoa. Okay, bring down to a half. There's also an echo. Let me just bring the echo and a half. Echo. Maximum echo. Okay, let's bring the echo down completely. Wow. Wireless mic at this price range. Now that's oh, it's getting better and better. Well, can I play the song during the okay, so I can sing to a song. There's also a guitar plug-in, but I don't have a guitar. But if I had a guitar, it would be even better. But I don't. I cannot even play the guitar. So yeah, woo! All right. Calm down. Sorry for that. Let's turn off the mic. Wow. Shocked and very impressed. The wireless mic, build quality, sound quality, it has it all. Wait for the full review. Thanks for watching and see you next video.